In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a form and redirect in ClickFunnels. First, go ahead and log into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see an option called Funnels. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a list of all the funnels in your account. From this list, choose the funnel that contains the form you want to work with. This will open up the funnel dashboard for that specific funnel. In the funnel dashboard, you'll see the different funnel steps, or pages, displayed in the center of the screen. These are the individual pages that make up your funnel flow. Look through the list and find the page that has the form you want to connect to a redirect. When you hover your mouse over that page, an Edit button will appear. Click on Edit to open the page editor. Once the page editor loads, locate the button that will submit your form. If you already have a button, great, you can use that. If you don't, move your mouse over the area on the page where you want the button to appear. You'll see an Add Element option pop up. Click that, and a drawer will slide open, usually on the right side of your screen. In this drawer, you'll see filters along one side. Click on the Form filter to narrow down the list of elements, then select the button element. This will place a new button on your page. Now, click on the button you want to use. This opens the editing and styling options in the right-hand drawer. Under the button configuration settings, you can change the button text. For example, you might change it to say Submit, so visitors clearly understand that it will submit the form. Next, look for the setting that controls what happens when the button is clicked. This is often labeled as the button action or on-click action. Just below that, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click this drop-down and choose the option that says Go To. When you select this option, an additional field will appear below. The first field here is another drop-down where you can choose what type of destination you want. You'll see options like Custom URL, Custom Action Link, Store Page, or Blog Homepage. If you choose Custom URL, simply type or paste the full web address where you want people to be redirected after they submit the form. This could be a thank you page, a download page, or any other URL you've prepared. When everything is set the way you want, don't forget to click the Save button in the top right corner of the editor. Saving ensures your form, button action, and redirect settings are all applied and ready for your visitors.